Alright, this is a 1974 Dodge Challenger. I'm sure you heard the motor by now. The thing sounds sweet. Anyway, we went ahead and installed Excalibur 1670. We hooked it up with the link arm module because he wanted an alarm that if somebody tries to open the door or opens the hood or they try to tow the car out of his driveway or whatnot, he wants to get their notifications from his cell phone. So I'm going to go ahead and arm the system by hitting lock on the key fob. Wait a couple seconds. I'm going to open the door. The alarm is going to fire off. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the alarm. Notification should be popping in a second. If it might have already have. Check it out for a second. Yeah, it tells you right there the alarm was triggered. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and arm the system again. Any banging around the vehicle. Somebody tries to break a window. The alarm will fire up. That's the last notification. You'll get another one now come in telling you that the alarm was triggered by shock sensor. It takes normally about 10 seconds. Sometimes it comes in quicker, it all depends. Okay, right there it just came in. Alarm was triggered by shock sensor. So you can arm the alarm and disarm it from the app on the phone. Like if you hit lock, you can arm the alarm. You'll hear it chirp now. It's going to give you a chirp right around now. Just letting you know the alarm is on. So in other words, anywhere in the world you can arm and disarm the alarm. It has GPS, so you can track it from the center of the app. You can track the vehicle right here. I won't do it for security reasons. Of course, this thing has remote start, and you can pump a trunk, but this car is carburetor, so it would never remote start unless you pump the gas a few times. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. Thank you for watching this video on the 1974 Dodge Challenger.